Hi everybody, Malik the Magic Guy with ExpertVillage.com. Now for the monkey. Now this is going to use tucking, and it's going to use kind of a weird twisting configuration that I'll show you. But the tucking we did before, so basically you want to make a bubble like this, and a loop or fold twist. We're going to tuck this in, just like we did before. That's going to make the head of the monkey. That's what it looks like from the back. Now, make a small neck, and we're going to make 3 about hand width, or width of the hand length bubbles. Actually, these are going to be a little smaller just because of the amount of air in the balloon. So, 3 bubbles like that, and we're going to twist them together into a triangle, like this. Then we're going to make 2 more bubbles of the same length that line up right in here. So you have this. Now we're going to take this long piece and tuck it through the body, kind of like we did when we made the pirate sword, and feed it through like that. And that's going to make the tail on the monkey. You can squeeze the air if you want. And that makes a monkey with a long tail.